Cogog is an umbrella branding for the partnership containing a network of all of the community food initiatives that we have across Denbighshire. Those community food initiatives are a variety of things, anything from food crisis provision, food banks, free food tables, right the way through to allotments, growing spaces and community cafes.
So, mae Gyd Ydw dwi'n byw yn Denbych, dyma tŷ Bwyd. It's definitely more than a shop. It's become a place where people come in and put the world to rights and share how they're feeling and things that they're looking for, projects they're involved in. So to celebrate local really as well. Being part of Cogog gives you confidence in what you're doing. Sometimes you can feel really overwhelmed and isolated. Recently I've been asked would I sit on the strategic group, so that has been fantastic in terms of understanding what projects are happening elsewhere, learning from them and thinking if that works there, could we try it here? So I think being part of a wider network makes you feel stronger, and that's the key to trying to make it happen, I think, isn't it? You know, we can't do it on our own.
I'm really proud of the number of community food initiatives that we now have, and I'm extremely proud of the volunteers that we have that are in those communities, the fact that we're working with those groups that are within the hearts of their communities. We're getting the closest to the residents that we possibly can, and we are building on the evidence of need that's being brought through from those communities themselves.
So we're based in Leihau, which is the most deprived ward in Wales, so we see a lot of homeless population, but then we also see a lot of the community as well, so families and pensioners. Yes, we run various services including the food bank, so that's more the emergency crisis, so when someone's got no money at all, that's where they would get food provision from. And then we also run the food club. We've been linked with Cogog now for 4 years. They work great with us, they help us with sustainability. We've had grants from them in the past. So to have a partnership with all the other food provisions, it kind of shows that we're in it together and it motivates you to carry on, really.
As a network, we're coming together to share ideas. It's very much nutritious food being able to be accessed at an affordable level for everyone across communities.
Mae gwaith I gyd I wneud efo cymuned a dod o bobl at y gilydd a wneud yn siŵr bod nhw'n gallu gael gwasanaeth yn eu gymuned eu hun. Dwi'n meddwl o'r network y Cogog yn Sir Ddinbych, mae hwnna'n rili dda, cos da ni'n gallu cysylltu a rhannu syniadau hefo grwpiau a rhannu syniadau a dod wrach cydweithio efo gilydd. Enwedig yn diweddar, da ni wedi bod yn lwcus iawn I gael cyllid gen Cogog I wneud prosiect newydd, so da ni jyst yn cychwyn wan. Da ni'n mynd I cychwyn wneud sesiynau coginio i'r gymuned, so I rei teuluoedd, rei sesiynau yn ystod y nos, mae gennym ni rei jyst I dynion ac I grwpiau iechyd meddwl hefyd.
Best thing for me for being involved with the Cogog Food Partnership is very much being based within those communities. It's knowing that I'm representing the community voice and knowing that I've gained the trust and respect of those communities and those community groups, and I can only build on that. So it's a really positive feeling.